Well, hello everybody. We have a little journey of our little birdies. We have, of course, the lovebird. She's always quiet, never says nothing. And we have the little canaries, always singing every day. And we'll come around here, and we have Gizmo. He's our oldest. He's my homie. And we have Jackal. Remember, Jackal, don't be camera shy. Jackal is quite pretty. And on over here, we have the nameless couple. And let's come up here. Some more pretty canaries. Oh, and there's Crazy Hadley up on top. We have to be careful of him. And some more canaries. All being kind of quiet because I'm in here. Singing up a storm this morning. And we come over here. We have Psycho. And on over here, a Blondie. Come here, Blondie. We have Blondie. They're all camera shy. But they're all good birdies. And a little leery of Psycho doll. I Gizmo, he's the only one who won't let you hold him. Everybody else is good and friendly. Hey. Okay, here's our little oasis of cockatiels and canaries, lovebird, and I'm not sure what Hadley is up there, but quite colorful. And I hope you enjoyed this.